You are going to love the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.